my channel Rani Creations 2021. Today I am going to teach you nouns. Nouns. What is noun? Noun is a word used as a name of a person, animal, place or thing, feelings and ideas. I repeat again, listen carefully. Noun is a word used as a name of a person, animal, place or thing, feelings and ideas. If you wanted to speak English, you need to know different kinds of nouns. So, let's start with concrete nouns. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are people, animals, places or things that you can see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Okay, I repeat again. Concrete nouns are people, animals, places or things that you can see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Okay, so you can basically use your five senses. Okay, I think you know what are the five senses. I already told you. See, hear, smell, taste and touch. Okay, so you can use. If you want more information about this, please watch my previous video about nouns. Okay friends, I will provide link in the description. You can watch it. Okay friends? Okay. Now I will give you few examples for concrete nouns. Okay? If we talk about people, you could say a man. A man. Okay? So man is a person. So you can say that. A man, a boy, a girl, a teacher. Okay? So you can say all these for people. Okay? These are the examples for people. If we talk about places, we have so many places like America, India, okay, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Vizag, all these are places. Okay friends? House, school, university, okay, these are places. If we talk about animals, you could say all the animals' names. Those are examples for animals like cat, dog, elephant, okay, lion, tiger. All these are examples for animals. And next one is things. Things. So what are the things? We could say so many things like mobile phone, watch, book, pencil, pen, water bottle. All these are examples for things. Now let's move on to the abstract nouns. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are ideas, concepts, and emotions. Ideas, concepts, and emotions that you can't see, you can't hear, you can't smell, you can't taste, and you can't touch. So you can't use your five senses. Okay, friends? But for concrete nouns, you can see, you can hear, and you can smell, taste, and touch also. But abstract nouns, we can't use our five senses. Okay, friends? Do you understand what is the difference between concrete nouns and abstract nouns? Examples for abstract nouns are love, time, religion, rules. Okay, friends, I repeat again. Love, time, religion, rules. These are examples for abstract nouns. These words represent ideas, concepts, emotions. Okay, friends? I hope that you understand what is the difference between concrete nouns and abstract nouns. We will talk about more in my coming videos. Okay, friends? And if it is useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, friends? Bye bye. Welcome back to my channel, Rani Creations 2021. In this video, we are going to talk about common noun and proper noun. Common noun and proper noun. Okay, friends? So the first one is common noun. What is common noun? A common noun is the name common to every person, animal, place, or thing. I repeat again. A common noun is the name that is common to every person, animal, place, or thing. Example, now I am taking 3 dolls. Here 3 dolls are there. All are girls only. Okay, all are girls. So we call them commonly like girl. Okay, girl. If we call commonly, we can say that is common noun. Okay, friends? So girl is a common noun. Boy is a common noun. If we call anyone with common name, that is a common noun. Okay. Next one is proper noun. What is that? Proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. I repeat again. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place, or thing. Okay. For example, before I take 3 girls, right? Girls. So, girl is a common noun. For example, this girl has a name like Lalita. Okay? So, Lalita is a proper noun because this girl has a special name or particular name. Okay? For example, this girl name is Lily. This girl name is Lily. And this girl name is Shiny. Okay, this girl name is Shiny. So, Shiny, Lily, Lalita, they have special names. They have particular names, right? So, if the person has a special name or particular name, we can say that that is proper noun. Okay? So, if we call them commonly, like girl means that is common noun. If we call them with a special name, Lalita, okay? If we call her with a special name, that is called proper noun. Not only person, places also, okay? Like things also, animals also, like that only. Okay friends, so do you understand what is the difference between proper noun and a common noun? If we talk about places like city, okay? If we talk about city, there are so many cities, right? If we call city, that is common noun, okay? Whatever the city, we call it as city, okay? So that is common noun. But if we talk about particular city like Bangalore, Hyderabad, okay, here we are mentioning a city name, okay? So if we mention a city name, that is proper noun, okay? If we not mention city name, just we are saying city, okay? City is common noun. If the city has a special name or particular name, if we mention, that is proper noun. So city is common noun and Bangalore city, so that is proper noun. Okay friends, if we talk about animals, okay, now I am taking two dogs, okay, this is dog and this is also dog, so we are using dog, okay. So dog is a common noun. If the dog has a special name, that is proper noun. For example, this dog name is Snoopy, okay, and this dog name is Fluffy, okay. So they have different names, okay, they have special names, they have particular names. We are giving name for this particular dog, that is Snoopy, and this dog name is Fluffy. So if the dog has a special name, that is proper noun. So do you understand friends? Okay. And the next one is things. What is that? Things. Next, if we talk about things, examples are, I am taking two pens, okay, this is pen and this is also pen. So pen is a common noun. If I say that black pen, red pen, okay, so black pen is different and red pen is different. So if we talk about particular black pen, okay, that is proper noun. If we talk about any pen, that is common noun. Do you understand friends what is common noun and proper noun? I repeat again examples. First I took three girls, right? So these three girls have different names, okay. If the girl has a special name, that is a proper noun. If we call them commonly like girl or girls, that is common noun. Okay, like dogs also like that only. Animals, examples for animals also same. If we call dogs commonly, that is common noun. So dog is a common noun. If we call it particular name like Snoopy or Fluffy, that is a proper noun. Okay friends, and places also same. City is a common noun. If we use any particular city name or special name, that is proper noun. So city is common noun and Bangalore is a proper noun. Okay friends, now I will show you practice sentence for better understanding. Okay friends, watch it carefully. These are practice sentences friends. Let's see. I have a class at Oxford University. Here, what is common noun and what is proper noun? Class is a common noun. Okay, there are many classes. So we can say that is common noun. And here, university is there. That is Oxford University. Oxford. So Oxford is a proper noun. What is this? Proper noun. Next one. I have friends. My best friend name is John. So here friends is common noun and he has one best friend. That best friend name is John. So this is proper noun. Next, Sheila has a cute dog. Its name is Juju. So here Sheila is a name of a person. So this is proper noun. And dog is common noun. Okay, if the dog has a name, that is proper noun. So Juju is proper noun. Okay friends, so class is common noun, Oxford is proper noun, and friends common noun, John proper noun, Sheila proper noun, dog common noun, and Juju proper noun. If you want to note down, you can friends. Thank you for watching my video. I hope now you have better understanding about nouns in English. Keep practicing friends, because practice makes man perfect. So keep practicing. Okay friends? If my videos are useful to you, please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel friends. Please. And don't miss my next video. Bye friends. Welcome back to my channel Rani Creations 2021. In this video, I'm going to teach you collective nouns. Collective nouns. A collective noun is a word used to describe a group of people, animal, and specific items. I repeat again, a collective noun is a word used to describe a group of people, animal, and specific items. Examples for collective nouns or army, band, family, society, crowd, and staff. I repeat again: army, band, family, crowd, society, and staff. Now I will show you 100 examples for collective nouns. Please watch it carefully.
A heap of rubbish. A hedge of bushes. A library of books. An outfit of clothes. An orchard of fruit tree. A pack of cards. A packet of letters. A pair of shoes. A quiver of arrows. A range of mountains. A ream of paper. A reel of film. A set of clubs. A sheaf of grain. A book of notes. A bouquet of flowers. A bowl of rice. A bunch of keys. A bundle of sticks. A catalog of prices. A chest of drawers. A cluster of coconuts. A cloud of dust. A party of friends. A patrol of policemen. A posse of policemen. A regiment of soldiers. A staff of employees. A team of players. A tribe of native. A troop of scouts. A bunch of crocs. A caravan of gypsies. A choir of singers. A class of students. A company of actors. A congregation of worship. A skein of wild geese in flight. A string of horses. A stud of horses. A swarm of bees. A colony of badgers. Sloth of bears. Burst of bees. Pod of birds. Chatter of budgergars. A stud of horses. A bale of cotton. A team of oxen. Herd of curlew. Mob of deer. A bowl of rice. Battery of artillery. Belt of asteroids. A host of sparrows. A basket of fruit. A batch of bread. A battery of guns. Skein of silk. Heap of trash. bag of game, fall of snow, a clump of bushes, a string of pearls, a wad of notes, agenda of tasks, anthology of poems, anthology of prose, a hand of bananas, a harvest of wheat, rope of pearls, rouleau of money, round of drinks, serving of spoons, a comb of bananas, flight of aeroplanes, flight of stairs, garland of sonnets, pack of cards, a galaxy of stars, a company of soldiers, a congregation of worshippers, a crew of sailors, a crowd of spectators, a crowd of people, a horde of savages, a host of angels, a line of kings, rulers, a mob of rioters, a group of dancers, a group of singers, a pack of rascals, a catch of fish, a cloud of flies, a cloud of insects, a cloud of locusts, a colony of gulls, a drove of cattle.
So, these are the examples for collective nouns. Please practice them every day. Okay? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rani Creations 2021. I will show you 100 examples for collective nouns. Please watch it carefully.
And partitive nouns, things. A tube of toothpaste. A bar of soap. A piece of jewelry. A pile of money. A bunch of keys. A library of books. A set of tools. A deck of cards. A battery of tests. A piece of paper. A fleet of vehicles. A gallon of gasoline. A fleet of ships. A roll of film. An album of photographs. A pair of shoes. A ball of wool. A grove of trees. A drop of rain. A chest of drawers. Collective and partitive nouns, food and drink. A bar of chocolate. A piece of chocolate. A piece of cheese. A slice of pizza. A slice of bread. A batch of cakes. A pile of cookies. A bottle of milk. A carton of milk. A glass of water. A jug of water. A jar of honey. A cup of tea. A can of soda. A bowl of rice. A bowl of soup. A box of cereal. A kilo of sugar. A kilo of meat. A loaf of bread. Collective nouns for birds. A brood of chickens. A brood of hens. A cast of falcons. A colony of gulls. A colony of penguins. A colony of vultures. A parliament of owls. A company of parrots. A dole of doves. A convocation of eagles. A flight of birds. A host of sparrows. A mews of hawks. A murder of crows. A mustering of storks. A stand of flamingos. A pod of pelicans. A flight of cormorants. A pride of ostriches. Collective nouns for mammals. A clouder of cats. A pack of dogs. A colony of rabbits. A dray of squirrels. A colony of rats. A sounder of pigs. A fall of lambs. A pod of dolphins. A colony of seals. A herd of donkeys. A trip of goats. A flink of cows. A herd of bison. A cohort of zebras. A field of racehorses. A herd of deer. A gang of elk. A troop of monkeys. A journey of giraffes. A herd of elephants. A pack of wolves. A skulk of foxes. An ambush of tigers. A sloth of bears. Collective nouns for sea animals. A bind of salmon. A company of angelfish. A family of sardines. A shoal of mackerel. A school of cod. A fleet of bass. A float of tuna. A shoal of fish. A party of rainbow fish. A herd of seahorses. A flotilla of swordfish. A swarm of dragonet fish. A shiver of sharks. A squad of squid. A glint of goldfish. A troop of shrimp. Collective nouns: amphibians, reptiles, invertebrates, insects. A rumba of rattlesnakes. A den of snakes. A nest of vipers. A quiver of cobras. A herd of dinosaurs. A flight of dragons. A culture of bacteria. A knot of toads. An army of frogs. A mess of iguanas. A basque of crocodiles. An army of caterpillars. A bale of turtles. A swarm of bees. A colony of ants. A flight of butterflies. An intrusion of cockroaches. A cloud of grasshoppers. A scourge of mosquitoes. A clutter of spiders. Collective nouns for people. A group of singers. A choir of singers. A band of musicians. A circle of friends. A class of students. A class of pupils. A crush of shoppers. A slouch of models. A flock of tourists. A caravan of travelers. A cast of actors or players. A gaggle of comedians. A pratfall of clowns. A den of thieves. A band of robbers. A gang of robbers. A gang of thieves. A gang of prisoners. A patrol of policemen. Collective nouns for people. A bevy of beauties. A bevy of girls. A body of men. A band of men. A body of pathologists. A doctrine of doctors. A grunt of teenagers. A team of athletes. An amble of walkers. A band of soldiers. A company of soldiers. A banner of knights. A blast of hunters. A quiz of teachers. An execution of officers. A rookery of clerks. A slate of candidates. A scoop of journalists. A sample of salesmen. Collective nouns for people. A blush of boys. A giggle of girls. An entrance of actresses. A panel of experts. A brace of dentists. A staff of employees. A staff of servants. A persistence of parents. A nag of grandparents. A consternation of mothers. A bench of judges. A disputation of lawyers. A tedium of golfers. A team of players. A gang of workmen.
So, these are the examples for collective nouns. Please practice them every day. Okay? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Welcome back to my channel, Rani Creations 2021. Today we are going to discuss about singular nouns and plural nouns. Singular nouns and plural nouns. Okay? Singular means one. Singular means one. And plural means more than one or many. Plural means more than one or many. Now I will show you some examples. Now I take one pen. Okay? If it is one pen means singular. If it is one pen means singular. Now I am taking two pens. Okay? Here two pens are there, more than one. So that's why this is plural. Okay? If it is one, that is singular noun. If it is more than one or many, this is plural. Okay, now I am going to take pencils. Here one pencil is there. So is it singular or plural? One means singular. Okay. Now I am taking 3 pencils. More than one. Okay. So this is singular or plural? Plural. Okay. If it is one, that is singular. If it is more than one or many, that is plural noun. Okay. Do you understand what is the difference between singular noun and plural noun? Okay. In the previous video, we talked about a or an. Okay. So we use a or an before singular nouns only. Okay. Before singular nouns only, we use a or an. We don't use a or an before plural nouns. Okay, friends? Now we will see some more examples. These are the examples of singular noun and plural noun. What is the first word? Ring. Ring. This is only one ring. So, this is a singular noun. Why we write a in front of ring? Because in this word, the first letter is R. R is consonant. That's why we have to use a. Okay. Next word, dog. Dog. This is also singular noun. Why? Because here only one dog is there. Okay. And in this word, the first letter is D. D is consonant. So we have to use a. Next word, teacher. Teacher. In this word also, first letter is consonant. So we have to use a. A teacher. A teacher. Okay. Next word is apple. Apple. An apple. Here also only one apple is there. So this is singular noun. And why we have to write an? Why? Because in this word the first letter is A. A is vowel. Before vowel we have to write an. Okay. So that's why we have to use an. An apple. An apple. Next word, egg. Egg. This is also only one egg. That's why this is a singular noun. In this word also, the first letter is E. E is a vowel. That's why we have to use an. An egg. An egg. Okay. Repeat after me these words. A ring. A dog, a teacher, an apple, an egg, an egg. Okay. Now we will see plural nouns. Here 2 rings are there. 2 rings. So this is a plural. That's why we didn't use a or an in front of this. Okay. Next, second word, 3 dogs. How many dogs are there here? 3 dogs. I already told you, if there are more than one or many,
that is plural noun. Here 3 dogs are there, that's why this is plural noun. Next one, 4 teachers. 4 teachers. How many teachers are there here? 4 teachers. So this is plural. That's why we didn't use a or an. Next one, 5 apples. 5 apples. How many apples are there? 5 are there. Next one, 6 eggs. 6 eggs. How many eggs are there here? 6. So, more than 1 or many. That's why this is also plural. Do you understand what is the difference between singular and plural nouns? Okay, singular means one and plural means more than one or many.
In the plural nouns, there are some rules. Now, I'm going to show you that rules. Okay? Please observe them carefully because these are very, very important to learn plural nouns. Okay?
Plural nouns. Rules and examples. Rules, examples for singular and plural, exceptions. General rule. Most nouns are made plural by adding s to the end of the singular form. Car, cars. Bag, bags. Table, tables. Nouns ending in s, x, z, ch, sh, or ss add es. Bus, buses. Bench, benches. Box, boxes. Exceptions, fez, fezzes. Gas, gases. Nouns ending in f or fe. Change the ending to ves. Calf, calves. Shelf, shelves. Wolf, wolves. Exceptions, cuff, cuffs. Chef, chefs. Belief, beliefs. Nouns ending in o. Nouns that end in o preceded by a vowel are made plural by adding s. Radio, radios. Stereo, stereos. Video, videos. Nouns that end in o preceded by a consonant are made plural by adding es. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Domino, dominoes. Piano, pianos is an exception. Photo, photos also. Halo, halos are exceptions. Nouns ending in y. When the y follows a consonant, change y to I and add es. City, cities. Candy, candies. Lady, ladies. When the Y follows a vowel, the plural is formed by retaining the Y and adding S. Day, days. Toy, toys. Donkey, donkeys.
If it is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye friends.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Rani Creations 2021. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about compound nouns. Compound nouns. They are very common in English. Compound is made up two different words. You take two words and that two words you put them together to create a new noun. Okay? You take two words and you have to put together these two words to create a new noun. Okay? They are usually quite easy to understand. For example, toothpaste. Toothpaste. If we see, tooth is different word and paste is different word. So these two words we are putting together. Okay? So if we put together tooth and paste, what happened? We created a new noun, that is toothpaste. Okay? Do you understand how we have to use compound nouns? We have to take two different words and we have to put them together, that two words, to create a new noun. Example is toothpaste. Okay friends? Sometimes compound nouns are two words or more than two words. Okay? But if we use that, we have to use infinite. Infinite. For example, mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Here we are using three words. Okay? So if we use three words or more than two words, we have to use infinite. Mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, okay, father-in-law, son-in-law, okay, all these are three words, more than two words. So we have to use infinite between these words. Okay friends? I hope you understood what is compound noun. Now let's take a closer look on compound nouns. Parts of speech make compound nouns. Okay? Now let's see what are those. First one, noun plus noun. Example is bedroom. Okay? What is the first one? Noun plus noun. So we have to take two nouns and put them together, okay, to create a new noun. Okay? Example is bedroom. Bedroom. Okay? Bed is one word and room is another word. So these two words we are putting together to create a new noun, that is bedroom. Okay friends? Next, second one, noun plus verb. What is the second one? Noun plus verb. Example is haircut. Haircut. Okay, here hair is noun and cut is verb. Okay, so these two words we are putting together and we created a new word, that is haircut. Haircut. Third one is noun plus preposition. Noun plus preposition. Example is passerby. Example is passerby. And the fourth one is verb plus noun. Verb plus noun. Example is washing machine. And fifth one is verb plus preposition. Verb plus preposition. Example is drawback. Example is drawback. And sixth one is preposition plus noun. Preposition plus noun. Example is underground. Underground. Seventh one is adjective plus verb. Adjective plus verb. Example is dry cleaning. Example is dry cleaning. Eighth one is adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun. Example is software. Example is software. And the last one is preposition plus verb. Preposition plus verb. Example is input. Input. I repeat again, friends. Please listen carefully. Okay? First one is noun plus noun. Example is bedroom. Second one is noun plus verb. Example is haircut. Third one, noun plus preposition. Example is passerby. One, verb plus noun. Example is washing machine. Fifth one is verb plus preposition. Example is drawback. Sixth one is preposition plus noun. Example is underground. Seventh one is adjective plus verb. Example is dry cleaning. Dry cleaning. Fifth one is adjective plus noun. Adjective plus noun. Example is software. Last one is preposition plus verb. Example is input. Input. So these are the examples for compound nouns. Okay. Now let's see more examples for better understanding. Okay, friends. These are the examples for compound nouns. Now let's see. Singular and plural. Okay. First we will see singular. First word is alarm clock. Here two words. One is alarm and second word is clock. So two different words. So we put them together. So the new noun is alarm clock. Second one is newspaper. News is different. Paper is different. Okay. We put these two words together. So the word is newspaper. Third one, swimming pool. Okay. Here also two words. Next one, brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. So here more than two words. So we have to use infinite. Okay. Next one, woman doctor. Sometimes we have to use infinite for two words also. Okay, that is woman, doctor. Okay, now let's see plural nouns for these singular nouns. First one, alarm clock. So plural is alarm clocks. So we have to add yes ending. Okay, next one, newspaper, and plural is newspapers. Yes, we have to add yes in the ending. Next, swimming pool. Here also swimming pools. Here also we have to add yes. So this is very important. Watch it carefully. Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. So plural is brothers-in-law. We should not add in the ending yes. Okay, we have to add here brothers-in-law. Brothers-in-law. Okay, next one, woman doctor. Here also we have to use plural for woman. Okay, so this is the plural, woman doctor. Okay, do you understand? I hope you understand this video. Keep on practice, friends. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye, friends. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Rani Creations 2021. In this video I am going to teach you countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. These are very important to learn the difference between countable noun and uncountable noun in English. First, we learn about countable noun. Okay? Countable noun. What is countable noun? A noun you can count. A noun you can count. For example, car, watch, chain, dress. All these are countable nouns. So you can count all these nouns like watch. This is one watch, two watches, three watches. So we can count watches. Okay. Next one is cars. So many cars are there. Okay. So we can count one car, two cars, three cars. So like that we can count. Okay. Like that chain. We can count chains. Okay. One chain, two chain, three chain, four chains. So like that we can count chains also. Dresses also we can count. Okay. So if we can count, that is countable noun. Okay. Do you understand what is countable noun? If you can count, that is countable noun. Okay. But uncountable noun is different. A noun that you cannot count. That you cannot count. If you cannot count, that is uncountable noun. Examples are for uncountable noun. Water. We can count water? Can we count? No, we can't count water. Like one water, two water, three waters. Like that we can count. No, we cannot count. Oil. Oil also we cannot count. Milk. Okay. So all these are we cannot count. Okay. I repeat again, friends. If you can count, that is countable noun. If you cannot count, that is uncountable noun. Okay. So how do we know if the word is countable or uncountable? They have few tricks they can help us. Okay, let's see what are those tricks. First one is liquids. Liquids. We have so many liquids like water, oil, milk, beer. Okay, all these are liquids. So we cannot count liquids. Okay. Second one is powders. Powders. Sugar, salt, rice, flour. All these are powders. So we cannot count powders also. Okay. Next, third one, materials. Okay. What are the materials? Wood, plastic, okay, metal, paper, okay. All these are materials. So we cannot count materials also. Next one is food items. Okay. Examples, meat, cheese, bread. Okay. So we cannot count food items. Okay. What are those? Bread, cheese, meat. Okay. Last one is abstract ideas. Examples are love, time, beauty, and information. So we cannot count abstract nouns also. Okay, friends? We cannot count uncountable nouns, but we can measure uncountable nouns. Okay? We cannot count, but we can measure uncountable nouns. Now let's see. First one is liquids. Okay? So if we take milk, we can measure like liters. Okay? So 1 liter milk, 2 liters milk, 3 liters milk. Okay, so we can measure milk, like water also. Okay, and cool drinks also. So all these are oil. Okay, we can measure with liters, but we cannot count, but we can measure. Okay, second one is powders. Okay, powders. So powders also we can measure with kgs, grams. Okay, so if you take sugar, 2 kg sugar, 1 kg sugar, 3 kg sugar. So we can measure powders also. Okay, now let's see some examples. Okay, so you can understand very easily. Okay, let's see. Let's see these examples. So now we have to identify what is countable and what is uncountable noun. First one is I took 100 candles. So here we can count candles. Okay, how many candles are there? 100 candles. So here candles or countable noun. What is this? Countable noun. C countable and N is noun. Okay, countable noun. Next, second one. I ate 2 pieces of cake. 2 pieces of cake. So here we cannot count cake, but we can measure. Okay, so cake is uncountable noun. Okay, third one, I have some water. So we cannot count water. Okay, so water is uncountable. If we cannot count, that is uncountable noun. Next, fourth one, I need to buy some milk. Okay, in this sentence also milk we cannot count. So milk is uncountable noun. Okay, next. She visited 2 houses. How many houses? 2 houses. So we can count houses. So that is countable noun. If we can count, that is countable noun. And last one, he went to 3 temples. How many temples he went? 3. Okay. So temples is countable noun. Okay. If you want to note down, you can. If my videos are useful to you, please like, share and subscribe my channel, friends. Okay? And don't miss my next video. Bye bye.